Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get plotting available memory, CPU uses, CPU frequency information in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Resource Monitor Mini. On the first you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. So we have given all the permissions. Now just click on this right arrow icon. Now on the above you can see your plotting available memory, CPU uses and CPU frequency is showing up as you can see on the above, as you can see right now. So if you want to customize it, you can see your customization option. So you can click on the set. So you can check the different colors. By default the white is been selected. You can select different colors like green, so you can see blue, yellow, and even you can select a custom color from here depending upon which color you want. So let me set it to green right now. You can enable the transparency, as you can see the background transparency. You can set the transparency of the text. You can add a shadow or hide the shadow depending upon your needs. And below there is a position, top left, top right. So let me put it to the top center. Text alignment, how you want the text alignment, left, center, right, depending upon your needs. And below there is custom size. You can enable and set it. Custom fonts, so tons more options below you can see, and you can enable or disable also some options which you don't want. And you can always make it run when you turn on your smartphone, or you can just off it if you don't want to make it run when you turn on your smartphone. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application. So finally, by using this application named as Resource Monitor Mini, we can easily get plotting available memory, CPU uses, CPU frequency information in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.